Hello, beautiful people. Hi, dudes and dudettes. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well, and yeah, I hope you're staying safe. What I wanted to go over today was my how I do my hair curly, so how I curl my hair. My friends always ask me like, how's your hair stay curly all day, and how does it like not fall out? And well, I'll show you what I do. And I know everybody's hair is different, so maybe yours is like just much more finer than mine. Mine is like crazy, so it's kind of thick, so you know. But I'll show you my process, and yeah, let's just get started. I'll part my hair into half, so like half up, half down, and use this little clips to put that back. Okay, and then take the bottom section and then make it into two sections. And then I just like to put this section away, so I'm gonna just do the same thing and part it, and use my little rubber band thing. And then this is the tool that I use. It's from Hot Tools. Let me see if I can get that to focus. I believe it's an inch and just burned myself. I believe it's an inch and a half. So yeah, it's already hot. I put it on 8400. That one, and start curling. So let me turn this way. So the idea is to curl inwards, one section, then outwards, then inwards, then outwards, then inwards, then outwards. So that way you like when you're done curling your hair, it's not just all like going one way, because it's gonna jumble up and be one big curl, and you don't want that unless that's the look you're going for. Then you do you, boo boo. So I'm gonna clamp it and twirl it in. Hold on, twirl it in. Undo it. And then put it to the back and not touch it. It's still like hot, so I want it to cool that way. If I keep touching it, then it's gonna fall, the curl, and then you're not gonna have a curl anymore. I went outwards, so I'm gonna go back inwards. So you want if you're going inwards, you want the clamp part to face the other side, and then you want to bring it in this way. Go. Okay. I'm gonna do this all around this section, and then I'll show you how to do the front. Personal preference. Alright, so this side is done. I'm not gonna touch it, put it back. Now if you look, like the sections that I'm using, they're not that big. They're like max probably 1 inch sections. Yeah, so you don't want to go bigger than your curling iron, because you're just gonna get a wonky curl, unless that's the look you're going for. You do you, like I said. That was a big section. I should have put it, like split it in half, but that's okay. And like if you see, I'm leaving like an inch at the bottom, and I'm not curling that part because I just don't want like my ends to be rounded. I want them to be kind of straight. And if you by accident do curl them, you can go in with this at the end and then just like flatten it out, or you can use a iron, like a flat iron or a straightener or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna push that to the back, not touch it. Take down the top. This is where you wanna split your hair where you would naturally part it, or that day, whatever, you know, part you're going for. So if you're gonna go this way, then part it that way. If you're gonna go this way, part it that way. I like to do straight down the middle, so I'll part it straight down the middle. Again, put this side up so that doesn't come in the way. And then for the back, oops, just burned myself. For this back section, this is like the last layer of my hair, right? So this is the back section that people are gonna see, so I want it to go away. So instead of like curling it this way, I'm gonna curl it the other way. So I'm gonna curl it away from my head, kind of like how we do in the front. To like frame your face, I want to frame the back of my head. That makes no sense, but it does in my head. Curl that. This will be outwards. I like to go some of the pieces of my hair, they're kind of curly wavy, so I like to go once with the curling iron. Oops, just let that go. I like to go in with the curling iron and just straighten it out. It helps a little bit. That one was away, so we'll do inwards. Right now I have short hair, so that's why I can just, you know, do this. But if you have longer hair, you will have to twirl your curling iron like several times to get that perfect curl. One is in the back of my head, so I wanted to do away, because again, I want it to look pretty in the back. And we're done. I'm gonna turn this off. And now that everything is cooled down, I'm just gonna shake it out. And usually this would be the part where I like spray. And I use this spray, but I just can't find it right now, so we're gonna have to skip that step, and I'm gonna have to go buy it off Ulta right now. Yeah, and then I'll be good to go. Like throughout the day, my hair like stays like this. It'll fall a little bit, but like because of the spray, it will like stay and it'll give me volume too. That spray is really good. It doesn't like it doesn't make your hair like hard or sticky or anything. Like you can actually run your fingers through it and you'll be fine. Before I go ahead and put any heat into my hair, I use this right after I wash my hair. I don't know if you can see that. I use like 2 or 3 pumps and then put it on my hair, all over my hair when it's damp, right out of the shower, and then I'll comb it out, and then either I let it air dry or I will blow dry it. But yeah, so this gives me like really nice shine, and it makes my hair like super soft. And sometimes my hair gets like really tangly, even like when I do use conditioner after I wash it. So I keep this on hand all the time, and I'll just like use it when it's damp, and it makes my hair like super easy to comb out. So yeah, that was all for this video. Let me know if you try this out and how it works for you and how your curls last. But yeah, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.